The 2027 Toyota Highlander marks a bold new chapter for one of Toyota's most popular SUVs, blending upscale design with cutting-edge electrification. Key highlights: fully electric option. For the first time, the Highlander will be available as a battery electric SUV, offering up to 320 miles of range with a 95.8 kWh battery and NACS charging compatibility. Bidirectional charging. A standout feature is vehicle-to-load V2L capability, allowing the Highlander to power your home or devices, something even many Teslas don't offer. Design evolution. Exterior styling adopts Toyota's hammerhead motif with broad fenders, flush electronic door handles, and full-width daytime running lights. Interior refinement. A spacious 3-row cabin with seating for up to 7, a 14-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, customizable ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions. Safety and tech. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.1, the latest Toyota audio multimedia system, and advanced driver assistance features. Variants offered in XLE and limited grades, with front or all-wheel drive options. Powertrain choices: battery electric BEV, zero-emission long-range capability, hybrid and turbo options. Toyota continues to offer a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine and hybrid systems for markets where full electrification may not yet be practical. Grades: XLE Limited. Available drivetrains: XLE, FWD, AWD. Limited, AWD. Powertrain: battery electric. Available battery range options and manufacturer estimated total driving range ratings. XLE FWD with 77.0 kWh battery, with a manufacturer estimated 287-mile total driving range rating asterisk. XLE AWD with 77.0 kWh battery, with a manufacturer estimated 270-mile total driving range rating asterisk. XLE AWD with 95.8 kWh battery, with a manufacturer estimated 320-mile total driving range rating asterisk. Limited AWD with 95.8 kWh battery, with a manufacturer estimated 320-mile total driving range rating asterisk. Horsepower total system output: XLE FWD 221 GP, XLE AWD 338 GP, Limited AWD 338 GP. Torque: XLE FWD 198 lb ft, XLE AWD 323 lb ft, Limited AWD 323 lb ft. Market position: the Highlander EV enters a growing 3-row electric SUV segment, competing directly with models like the Kia EV9. Toyota's strategy emphasizes continuity by keeping the Highlander name rather than rebranding it, signaling confidence in its legacy while embracing modern power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.